playing pranks and angering people. Grow up. Naughty boys who don't know the importance of a smile will be punished.
Gotcha.
Change card. Denso.
我这一脚。
Take this! Ha! Ball trick! Ha! Ha ha ha! Here's the finisher! Ha ha! Where is this? Got eaten. What'll I do? How mean. He even ate that little girl's dream. I don't like this. I want everyone to smile. It'll be okay. It'll work out somehow. One-Chan's friends will surely come save us. Hey, what do you want to do when we get out of here? As for One-Chan, I want to drink a cream soda. Hey, what do you all want to do? It's times like this that we need to think about fun things, right? The sky power of breath. Go say pink.